about sunrise? What about rain?
While the world's population tripled in the 20th century, the use of renewable water resources has grown sixfold. This population growth, coupled with industrialization and urbanization, will result in an increasing demand for water and will have serious consequences on the environment. More than 1 out of 6 people lack access to safe drinking water, namely 1.1 billion people, and more than 2 out of 6 lack adequate sanitation, namely 2.6 billion people. 3,900 children die every day from waterborne diseases. One must know that these figures represent only people with very poor conditions. In reality, these figures should be much higher.
At present, the world is affected by the high pollution, as one of our resources is vital liquid water is becoming scarce. In some countries don't have and is meeting as millions of people dying from this, while in other countries waste it. Without water, life is impossible. Gradually affected more people, plants, animals. Mexico is an example as more and less fresh water is making life difficult. Large industrial water without causing terrible illnesses awareness. Water is fundamental to survival. Go without it for a short time and we would die.
For this reason, all in the world should be saving water resources.